Hello, I'm Mitsutoshi Taniguchi. Today, I want to share with you a brain cleaning revolution that is fundamentally changing the future of dementia treatment.
In March 2026, a study published in the world-renowned scientific journal Science sent shockwaves through the global medical community. It involves a groundbreaking attempt to use the latest biotechnology to reprogram cells already present in our brains, called astrocytes. This would allow the brain itself to accurately detect and eliminate amyloid, the harmful waste considered the cause of Alzheimer's disease. Until now, treatments have tried to clean this waste by administering drugs from the outside. However, the most remarkable point of this study is that it directly grants cleaning power to the brain's own cells. We are finally entering a magical era where we can clean the brain by tapping into its own inherent strength. Yet, as an expert, I must issue a very important warning. No matter how advanced the new cleaning drugs or cell therapies become, their effectiveness will be nearly zero if a certain foundation is compromised. That foundation is the quality of your sleep. This is because the brain's waste clearance system functions at its peak only while we are in a deep sleep. Even if you strengthen the cleaners with the latest technology, cleaning efficiency will not increase if the brain environment is deteriorated by lack of sleep. Whether you can receive 100% of the benefits of modern science depends entirely on your sleep. Long before these cutting-edge drugs and technologies appeared, many people around the world intuitively felt the essential need to improve their sleep quality. This is why Keiraku Head Care, a method I have spent over 10 years perfecting, has been learned in 87 countries worldwide. And now that science is proving the vital importance of sleep, I am convinced this method will attract even more attention in the future. Why not take this opportunity to start learning Keiraku Head Care right now? It is a brain-cleaning method you can practice yourself while waiting for further scientific progress. It is a concrete TEATE technique to protect your own brain and the brains of your loved ones. I have published the foundations of this method in an online course on Udemy. Please integrate this technology, accessible from anywhere in the world, into your life starting today. For more details, please check the link in the description below this video. Let's achieve a daily life together where your brain starts cleaning itself while you sleep.